Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating physical causes. Inspect the connector, power, and any mute switches. Once done, plug the mic into a known good port or another device to verify the capsule works. Next, open your operating system sound panel and explicitly choose the mic as the default input so the system routes audio to it. Make sure input meters react when you speak. If they do not, proceed immediately to driver and permission steps. Now you focus on software. Update or reinstall the microphone and audio interface drivers so the system can communicate with the hardware. Then, check privacy and app permissions. Grant microphone access to the app you want to use and to the OS overall. Run a quick recording in a simple app to isolate the problem. If levels are stuck, open Advanced Device Properties and disable Exclusive Mode, and try a standard sample rate like 48,000 Hz for stability. Finish by forcing a fresh hardware handshake. Uninstall the microphone in Device Manager, reboot the computer, then reconnect so drivers reinitialize. If problems persist, use a different microphone or a cheap USB sound adapter to determine whether the interface is faulty. Finally, restore audio settings to defaults or roll back to a recent restore point if a change broke detection. If nothing works, one key tip: try the mic on another computer. If it fails there, the mic itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.